At, in, on. She placed the book blank the table. On. I'll meet you blank the coffee shop at 10 a.m. At. She lives blank New York City. In. They walk blank the beach during sunset. On. The keys are blank the drawer. In. Use on when something touching the surface of something and also surfaces of body parts. In use when something is located inside of a defined space. At use when telling time